G'day riders. Well, Tropical Rider Dog and myself just come back from the post office, and we have some deliveries. I'm really looking forward to opening some of these guys up because some of this stuff is for the Black Dog ride coming up. So one of the first things I'm looking forward to opening is actually this box here that this is sitting on is the Kuryakyn box, because this box has in it, I believe, I haven't ordered anything big and as big as this, so it's got to be it anyway. This box will hold the Kuryakyn Road Warrior bag I've purchased. Now this bag has been purchased specifically for the Black Dog ride that I'm about to go on, the Red Centre ride. Because I'm going so far, I needed some more storage space. And this bag, I believe, will be it in droves. So, in usual haste, this is a Momentum Road Warrior seat bag. Now this bag is huge and it goes on a Sissy Bar, which I think may be in this box here that I've ordered as well. But this bag has got some great side access, has a laptop sleeve in here for me, backpack accessory so you can turn to a backpack when you're away from the bike. Really think this bag is going to be great for the trip. Versatile, it's got a waterproof cover, etc. I'll put the link in the description below, but really looking forward to this. I've also purchased the seat that goes on the front of this. In fact, that could be what's in here. So we open this one up. Again, carefully using the knife. Yeah, this is it. So this is the Kuryakyn backrest, which goes on the front of this bag, turns into almost a rider's backrest. So not quite sure how that goes on. I'm going to look at that, but that is going to be brilliant for what I want to do here. In getting prepped for the Black Dog Red Centre ride, there's probably some important instructioning things here. Oh, some business cards. Oh yeah, I got this from Birds Bitz in Morayfield in North Brisbane, Queensland. David and Denny. So dumped some cards in here for me. So thanks. I'll put a link to their website down below as well, because they really good to deal with, these guys. Got this stuff in the mail to me last week very quickly. I just gave them a phone call. They had it in the mail that afternoon. The Sissy Bar for the back of the bike. And this will allow me to put that Kuryakyn seat on there. And I must admit, I didn't realise when I ordered it, because I ordered it over the phone, that it came with a backrest. So it's going to be kind of nice, because Mrs. Tropical has started to make some noise about maybe wanting to go for a ride on the bike, and having this behind her will probably give her a feeling of a little bit more security. So that's the need to work out how that's going to work on that with the Kuryakyn bag, if it's going to fit. Need to work through that. I'm sure it will. It sits in the front, sits up like that, sits against it. So really happy with that. I think that's a really great deal they guys did for me as well. They looked after us in relation to price. which is always good for anyone buying gear. So hopefully this afternoon I'll be throwing Sissy Bar on the bike and getting this Kuryakyn bag on ready, because tomorrow we're going to a swap meet down on the way to Mackay to a place called Cuttable Swap Meet tomorrow. So looking forward to that bit as well. So guys, hopefully I'll get to post some pictures up of the whole thing assembled a bit later on today.